Welcome back to Step Up. In today's video, we're walking you through the process of installing vinyl plank stair treads. When you use the LifeProof brand from Home Depot, the backing is strong enough that you might not have to peel it off. However, for a secure bond, especially if you're doing a DIY installation, we recommend peeling the backing in certain spots. This ensures that the adhesive bonds well and keeps the vinyl firmly in place. It's also important to note the difference between treads and risers. The treads are the horizontal parts that you step on and experience pressure and movement, so these definitely need the backing peeled off and extra adhesive applied. The risers, on the other hand, are the vertical parts of the stairs. Because they are stationary and don't undergo the same pressure, you don't need to peel off the backing there. It's also crucial to remember that vinyl plank on stairs isn't a floating floor. You want it glued down firmly to avoid any movement and ensure stability. In addition to that, vinyl plank stairs are easy to maintain. They're simple to clean with just water and don't require staining or refinishing. Plus, they give your home a beautiful, cohesive look and can even add value if you're considering selling your home. And of course, if you have any questions or need help, you can always reach out to us at www.stepup.ca. We're based in Ontario, Canada, and we're so grateful for all of our viewers and subscribers. We really do appreciate all those who subscribe to our channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and thank you for sharing. And if you're new to this channel, we'd really appreciate it if you could click that subscribe button. We're a small channel, a small business in Ontario, Canada, and we appreciate all our subscribers. Thank you so much. Custom stair treads for your stairs are really straightforward to install. Proper installation is key to avoiding issues like shifting or cracking over time. With nearly 7 years of experience, we've perfected our techniques to ensure a seamless, long-lasting result. We also offer a wealth of resources on our YouTube channel with these step-by-step guides that can help you achieve professional quality installation on your own. And if you prefer, we can also handle the installation for you. When it comes to custom stair nosings, we specialize in modifying standard vinyl planks to create the perfect fit for your stairs, ensuring that everything is both functional and beautiful. It's important to do it right because if the nosing isn't properly crafted or installed, it can lead to issues down the line. That's why our expertise ensures that your stair treads are durable and long-lasting. And of course, if you have any questions or need assistance, you can always reach out to us at www.stepup.ca. We're passionate about what we do, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Vinyl flooring on stairs isn't inherently slippery, but it's crucial to select a vinyl with the right amount of texture. Some vinyl planks are very smooth, and those can become slippery, especially if the stairs get wet. On the other hand, vinyl with a subtle texture or grip helps provide better traction and reduces the risk of slips. In addition to choosing the right vinyl, it's essential to keep your stairs dry. Standing water can increase slipperiness, so proper maintenance is key. Another vital safety measure is having a sturdy hand railing. Always use the hand railing when going up or down the stairs for added stability and safety. By focusing on these aspects, proper vinyl selection, keeping the stairs dry, and ensuring a solid hand railing, you can greatly improve the safety of your staircase. When it comes to customizing your stair nosings, using vinyl stair treads or planks is one of the most cost-effective and visually appealing options. By matching the vinyl on your floors with your stairs, you create a cohesive, polished look that ties the entire space together. This approach is not only budget-friendly, but also allows for a seamless aesthetic transition. In addition to the visual and financial benefits, it's crucial to focus on proper installation and safety. Ensuring that your stair nosings are installed correctly means paying attention to secure handrails and following the right techniques. If you're not confident in the installation process, it's always best to consult with an expert to ensure everything is done safely and correctly. And of course, thank you all so much for your continued support. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share our content. Your engagement helps us keep creating and improving. Thanks again, and we appreciate all of you.